a reputation for accuracy, reliability, and trust is earned. We've been providing engineering and technical expertise to the power generation industry for close to half a century. We are known for our knowledge, experience, and expertise. Providing critical turbine parts is a key component of our commitment to fully meet industry demands. That's what makes us an undisputed industry leader for custom fitting of packing and spill strips. MD&A technicians performing the pre-measure service will verify seal design and dimensions, determining the geometry of the seals. A bore distortion assessment will define radial or axial distortion. The rotor body with machined packing lands are round, while the diaphragm can become elliptical after many years of operation. This can lead to losses in heat rate and output from excessive clearances, or a significant rub during startup due to tight clearances. During the custom creation of the packing rings, engineers adjust the ring's dimensions to accommodate the elliptical distortion. Our skilled on-site field team, with their expert knowledge of component distortion, allows us to accurately adjust the clearances in our CNC portable machine shop for the perfect fit. A related problem is dishing distortion of the diaphragm. This dishing will move the packing alignments and axial clearances, leading to the packing teeth rubbing against the rotor. Once the teeth are dull, due to this unwanted rubbing, the turbine will lose efficiency. Our on-site field team can accommodate the dishing distortion by adjusting the packing to achieve the desired clearance and eliminate rubbing. Doing this aligns the packing to its original position in relation to the rotor and maintains specified clearances. Our expertise helps us excel at solving your problems. It's doing right by our customers that drives this quest for excellence. We are your full-service OEM alternative. Together, we power through experience.